So now I want to talk about my favorite therapeutics to help get women out of autoimmune overload. We've already established that women carry a disproportionate autoimmune burden: hormonal volatility, mast cell hyperreactivity, environmental load, stress physiology, microbiome disruption, and life stage immune shifts. Now let's layer in the modern therapeutics that can help to stabilize, repair, and recalibrate the female immune system. These are the tools that change trajectories. TriGLP, GLP-1, GLP-2, and GIP, the peptide trio that rebuilds metabolic and immune stability. Women with autoimmunity tendencies almost always show impaired gut barrier integrity, dysregulated appetite signaling, chronic inflammation, metabolic inflexibility, and stress-driven cortisol swings, along with mast cell activation. The TriGLP peptides address these at multiple levels. So firstly, and they're all in one product, GLP-1, GLP-2, and GIP. GLP-1 reduces inflammation, improves insulin sensitivity, calms appetite dysregulation, and stabilizes mast cell reactivity. Women with autoimmune conditions often have higher insulin resistance, higher cortisol, higher histamine, higher inflammatory cytokines. GLP-1 helps to quiet this entire axis. GLP-2 is the gut repair peptide. It helps to strengthen the tight junctions. It reduces intestinal permeability. It enhances mucosal healing, improves nutrient absorption, and reduces antigen leakage into the bloodstream. This is critical because leaky gut is one of the strongest autoimmune accelerators in women. And then our third little peptide is GIP. GIP supports metabolic flexibility, which means you can whip from utilizing one source of energy to another nice and quickly. It also supports mitochondrial efficiency and glucose regulation. It interacts with immune signaling in the gut and reduces inflammatory load. So together, the TriGLP trio helps to stabilize mast cells, reduce autoimmune flares, repairs the gut, improves metabolic resistance, and reduces hormonal volatility. This is why TriGLP is becoming one of the most important tools in female autoimmune care. Then I've got my little BrocOn sulforaphane. There are so many sulforaphane products on the market that really don't do anything because they don't have the precursors. This one is awesome. It is the master detoxifier and immune recalibrator. Sulforaphane is one of the most powerful compounds for women with autoimmune tendencies because it activates the NRF2 pathways. That's the body's master antioxidant switch. It increases glutathione, it reduces mast cell activation, it improves liver detoxification, it enhances estrogen clearance and reduces inflammatory cytokines, and supports mitochondrial repair. Women exposed to xenoestrogens, stress, medications, and environmental toxins benefit enormously from sulforaphane because it turns on the detox pathways that modern life shuts down. BrocOn is particularly potent because it delivers a high sulforaphane yield, rapid absorption, and a strong glutathione support. This is one of the most reliable ways to reduce autoimmune load. Then you've got your Masterpeace Zeolites. So these help to remove the neurotoxins that drive autoimmunity. Women accumulate more toxins than men due to higher cosmetic use, higher fragrance exposure, more cleaning chemical exposure, slower phase 2 liver detox pathways, higher estrogen and xenoestrogen load. Masterpeace Zeolites bind and remove heavy metals, glyphosate, microplastics, environmental chemicals, and inflammatory metabolites. Glyphosate is particularly important because it disrupts the microbiome and increases leaky gut. It damages the mitochondria and increases autoimmune priming. Zeolite reduces this burden, giving the immune system space to calm down. Then my little Cerule Stem Enhance. The thing I love about these, every time we take two, we're releasing between 4 and 9 million and up to 12 million stem cells from our own bone marrow out into the bloodstream within 40 minutes. This increases repair capacity in an overwhelmed system. Autoimmunity can damage the joints, the nerves, the gut lining, the mitochondria, or the connective tissue, or all of the above. Women have got slower repair due to hormonal fluctuations and nutrient depletion, chronic stress and postpartum recovery, perimenopause and menopausal shifts. Stem Enhance increases the release of adult stem cells, supporting tissue repair, mitochondrial regeneration, immune modulation, and inflammatory reduction, which is particularly helpful for joint pain, neurological symptoms, gut damage, chronic fatigue, and post-viral inflammation. Not too bad, huh? My next little guy is the Akkermansia mukti. It helps to rebuild the mucosal barrier. Akkermansia is one of the most important bacteria for gut lining integrity, metabolic stability, immune regulation, reducing inflammation. Women with autoimmune conditions almost always have got low Akkermansia due to antibiotics and stress, hormonal contraceptives, pregnancy and postpartum shifts, poor sleep, high sugar diets, environmental toxins. Metagenics Akkermansia mukti helps tighten the gut barrier, reduce antigen leakage, improve the GLP-1 signaling, reduce inflammation, and supports metabolic health. This is a foundational microbiome repair tool. So bringing it all together with some of my favorite things, women's autoimmunity it's not caused by one thing, it's caused by stacking triggers. These therapeutics help to remove those triggers layer by layer. TriGLP helps to stabilize metabolism, gut integrity, and immune signaling. BrocOn sulforaphane helps to activate detox pathways and calms inflammation. Masterpeace Zeolites help to remove the toxins that drive immune activation. Cerule Stem Enhance helps to increase your repair capacity by releasing your own adult stem cells from your own bone marrow. And the Akkermansia mukti helps to rebuild the mucosal barrier and reduces autoimmune priming. Together they form a multi-system strategy that addresses the root drivers of female autoimmune vulnerability. As always, I'll have the links for the products below. Generally, they're available worldwide, probably except for the Akkermansia, but I'm sure you can source one yourself. But this one just happens to be awesome with some extra little goodies in there. Don't forget to like and subscribe, share with someone you love, and talk to you again soon. Have a great day.